So my question was, okay, so I was wondering what's the difference between fresh koji and the dehydrated koji, and how do you use it?
So, fresh koji is when you make it, like when you incubate it on whatever you are incubating it on, and it ferments. It takes the 48 hours to become koji. That's the fresh koji. But the fresh koji at room temperature can't be kept for a very long time. So usually people freeze it. It's just a way of like extending the life of the koji, kind of pausing the fermentation process. The other way to do it and extend the life even more is by dehydrating. And that makes it stable at room temperature. But I do recommend keeping that in the fridge. And then you can use that for multiple different things. And how you use it, it doesn't matter if you are using dehydrated koji, then you just have to rehydrate it, or you can use it for things that don't involve water, like the sugar and the salt that we made earlier. And yeah, you can just use that. So there's no real difference, but if you're using it to make something like shio-koji, for example, you just have to account for that extra water that the koji has lost if you're using dehydrated koji, and then you can